Teacher D has prepared us some activities where we can explore some of these different concepts. So, Teacher D, please take it away.
Okay, so this is the activity that I've created for when I used clothing and weather, matched them up together. So that this can either be used for probably like independent students. Sometimes they love to do these things independently, or even distant students, perhaps, because sometimes they
We're
just
going
want
to
to
help
sit
you.
there and do everything. Yeah. Sorry, I'm just going to demo this first. So I've created these squares here. Obviously, having the student or wanting the student to move the weather types next to the clothing to connect those two together and see what
Mm,
can be worn on which day. So first, we can see a raincoat here.
Yeah.
So the sentence structure that we have at the bottom is I wear a. Okay, so what is this? It's a
Raincoat.
raincoat. So I wear a raincoat on rainy days,
oh my
for
gosh.
example. Okay, so then I want the student to move the weather name along with the correct grammar here or the correct keyword that we're looking for, which is a raincoat then, and then create the whole sentence. So then it would be, I wear a raincoat when it's rainy. That's the full structure sentence that I want the student to make.